Hey guys, so today we're gonna make a origami corner bookmark. So all you need for this project is some paper, some scissors, you don't need glue or tape, and some markers to decorate it with. So let's get started. So you have your paper. So first thing is you want to make it a square. So if you have origami paper, it's already square. So you just want to fold it so you get a triangle. So just fold it like this. And don't worry about creasing it because we will need that line later. So just make a triangle with the first half of your paper. Like this. Okay? Now, just cut right there where the triangle ends, right here. So, get to your scissors and cut right where the next step is to unfold these two flaps, and then you see a diamond right in the middle. You take one of the flaps, you should have two flaps. Just take one and bring the corner up to this corner right here, right into the middle of the triangle. So just bring it in and then crease it like this. So you can see that it was here, and then you just fold it, and now you should have a line across and it's a flap. So next step is you take one of the flaps and you fold this corner all the way to this corner. Just make a crease like this, like that. And then next, this corner to this corner. Same thing on the other side. Now make sure you don't fold it the wrong way. You have to fold it on first and then fold it in half. So just don't fold it like this. Like fold it in and then fold it in half. So next step is you take your flap and you just made a pocket like this. You just made a pocket. Just put the first half of the triangle, fold it in like this, and then put it in the folder type, in the pocket, like this. So I'm going to show you this way. Just take your triangle and fold it like this, and then next just put this coin inside the pocket. So just in here, like this, like that. Now, there will be a line right here. If you don't want the line, you can just tape it up or add an extra piece of paper. So this is basically the bookmark, but I'm just gonna decorate it just a little bit. So you can decorate yours however you want. So I'm just gonna take my markers, black. You can do whatever design. I'm just gonna do eyes and a smile. So I'm just gonna draw it and you can draw yours. So now I drawed my design. It's just a smiley face. So let me show you how it works on a book. So you fixed the bookmark to the end of the page. So this is called a corner bookmark. You can make like one of those straight ones too, but this is more efficient. So I hope you enjoyed it.